We already know say Kartel have the value and him have the pulling power. We know say Kartel worth whatever him say I go charge.
That's not the case.
We don't have no problem with that.
So
but what my problem is, you're not for the people as how you preach it.
No, man, a few people, man.
Brother, which people?
Every day
you can't get $1 million in your hand.
That is not $1 million. Just like when he did go to prison, I did Film Fate and Film Destiny. At 13 years, the man go sit down in a prison, bro. Yeah, Kartel say, yo, he's balling, he did a prison. And he should have put, Kartel, you know what I say? I chief. But big man thing, you look like Shorty did a gear bun before you got prison with G.
Yeah, everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Let's go. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die.
What on, people? Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat. You don't know Nas and
Checks that, you see me. What are they for?
We're there today. Where are they?
We're there, man. They are going easy. Everything good, man.
Why?
Everything good, brother.
Yo, every time we drop a video, dog, you people do my beat without wicked, you know, dog.
Why youth? I say you go.
Yeah.
Sometimes you see truth. They say truth shall set you free, but it truth can carry you to your grave too, you know.
Yeah, but yo, if people keep them business to themselves and not put it out for the world see, then we not going to eventually have none to talk about them.
That's true.
Don't. So if we not have no business, I want to know when people talk about the business, do not bring on the business in the public.
But the wickedest thing, the people that we are talking about, and them, I bash we are beat with, I people them, I sheep them.
The sheep,
I stole you there and say the sheep nation, you see me? I sheep them, bro.
Yeah, for
you
real.
See me? But people, it's just a conversation and nothing serious as you know already.
Yeah, we keep on have to remind them.
So please drop a comment, share, and subscribe. You get me? I say. Me know say it's a love and hate relationship, you see me? Right, that's the thing there. So yo, you see what I'm going with Squash?
Yeah, bro. I mean, too like the look of it still in a dog. You look like him there in a dark corner.
Dark corner, my you. But one of the things we don't understand still, seeing you come in a one foreign country. I not go specifically say America. Because you could have anyway.
Zin.
You come in a foreign country, you get married, you know what I mean? And you sort out yourself. You know, keep yourself out of problem. Why you have to carry the life from where you used to live to where you're at now?
Because them say, bro, I mean, did say it already. We never said it before. But, but them have a saying, like, you know, you take, like, them would have used it as a country vibe.
Yeah.
You take a man out of a country and bring him in a town.
Yeah.
But you can't take a country out of him.
True.
In Squash situation, you take him out of the badness. But you can't take the badness out of him, dog.
Bro, may I tell you, the man have a career, bro, where, dog, Squash a big artist.
He's a talented youth, you know, dog.
Talented, bad. Even though people call him the leprechaun. But the man bad, dog.
Bro.
You see me?
No,
the man talented, bro, and the man make some song where them catchy. Dog, if a man did just come to America, bro, sit in, and just put in the work, brother. Man would have nice.
Well, yo, I call a reason, dog. And look on it. Then, because you see, we have some toxic behavior as a people.
Yeah.
You see me? And I feel like because this toxic behavior in Jamaica, we intertwine with the music itself, bro. And we glorify the violence and the crime and them something that we make it look glamorous. So, to me, it starts from Deso. You know, most of you do the badness, you know.
So now that
I
was about to say that.
Right. But, Trex, if me a bad man, you think me I go keep people who go to church around me? Or me I go attract the same energy around me?
Watch this now. You go attract the same thing where Anything you preach, that you go attract.
And that you go attract.
You see me? I lie universe that.
Alright. And mostly in a man video them dog, me not lie. Almost in every one of them
every video dog.
He man have a weapon in it, bro.
And not even that. Enough of them money, them not smart. Them not smart, bro. Cause watch this. You involved with G City gang, or you involved in a gang.
Allegedly.
And allegedly.
Right.
And every song you sing, you mention some man is either them wanted or them man are some dangerous man on the streets.
Zin.
And you mention G City gang. So dog, let me tell you this. All if you no go so, them are going to make you go so.
Do you mean, brother? What you
see me?
Mm-hmm.
All if you no go so, listen, away you say no.
Let me tell you.
And you see when them go quote, bro, them are going to use them same lyrics there, bro. You see them lyrics them when use in his songs them. And them are going to use against him, bro.
So them take the songs them outside. Zane, remember in the dog, when him come here, you know, then catch him with one, as we Jamaican call it, chick Glock, you know, which is a modified Glock pistol in the car when they stop him, you know, bro.
You know, man.
You see me? Also a machine gun, you know. And with those things added to your name, plus all of the speculation them, where them have against you, it can't look good.
Remember, see what the man did involve in our shooting, you know, bro.
All of that too, bro.
What they say he was involved in our shooting with some other gang member from outer Jamaica. You left Jamaica, bro. And you come and you try to change your life. And you carry same blood clot fuck you there do down there.
You spill it over upon the street, yes, sir.
That you know make no sense, bro.
And the man them nah fucking learn, bro.
You know make no sense, bro.
The man them nah learn. How much more are the big artists them we have to see?
Alright.
God jail my youth and say, oh, them man are talented and this and them. But you not smart, bro.
Even Squash and Vybz Kartel they do one song.
Yeah, man.
When Kartel they are prison, and you see that. Say this a man they go to prison for this whatever.
Zin.
And you come in America. You come in one country where you can make it, you know, bro.
Bro.
As a Jamaican artist at that, you know.
As me say, you take them out of the badness, but you can't take the badness out of them.
Brother,
You see me?
it's sad. It's sad, but you have an idea. You can't choose for your man. A man have to choose for themselves, bro. Dog.
They nah learn, bro.
You can't be so talented. You can't be such a great artist. And all you do is come and do stupidness. The feds them have you. And I'm pretty sure say after you get your sentence in America, the Jamaican police them are wait for you.
Cause them are gonna dip him afterwards, bro.
You see me?
Well, most likely. Me can't say them are gonna dip him.
No,
Most likely, them are gonna send him a yard.
But watch out, if you do federal crime in America and you're not straight, you have to go to your yard.
Let me tell you this.
You see me I say?
Dog. You see, badness are two things in my youth. One is either you end up under the ground or you end up behind bars.
I tell you daddy.
And the youth them now learn how long you can bad for. At that one, bro. Because you cannot bad forever, bro.
But just imagine,
You
you
see me?
live this a nice lavish
You can't
life in
bad
America.
forever.
See, you live this a nice lavish life in America. And boom, you reach back to Jamaica. You do time in America, you know. You're in a one jail cell with 100 man, you know. And then you reach back to Jamaica, you think you would be free. And you're going to do time with the next 100 man, you know, brother.
And me feel like, dog, this heap of badness we now put in a music. And if we keep on glorifying this thing in music.
I don't glorify, bro. A part of dancehall, bro. A part of dancehall.
A part of dancehall.
Yeah.
It is a part of dancehall, but guess what? You don't have to be in a part of dancehall. Why we don't sing? Why don't we sing and glorify a good youth them out?
Dog, tapping eyes if you a foolishness you chat now. Can watch this. You see dancehall, dog. Dancehall have to do with Iranis and what is taking place, bro. It don't necessarily mean say you as a man are do it. The things you see happen, bro. Dancehall, I saw dancehall stay. Dancehall, I raw part, a reggae like. You get me? I say reggae.
So you're telling me
reggae away you talk about. Reggae are the kumbaya.
No. Me understand all of that.
Alright, so yeah.
So you're saying the toxicness with the man them tied to the music is okay.
It did a long time.
It did a long time, but you tell me say it cannot change?
It's not supposed to change.
Why not supposed to change?
Because dog.
And this is why. Alright.
You take what we make something authentic. You see where you try to say now, you want them take something where dog, authenticity.
And this is why we're gonna continue down the same path.
No, bro.
Hold on,
Look
I tell you, hold on, listen to me. No. Listen, this is why we are gonna continue down the same path. And the reason why I say that, because we see it over and over where artists come and them slide down the same road where the other artists them go.
Watch this now.
And them say no make a difference, bro.
Let me ask you a question. You watch action show?
Of course, watch action movie.
Alright. When you watch a gun show,
yes.
say you have a strap, and you see a man shoot 10 man out there, so.
Zane.
You take it up in a year and say you're going to shoot 10 man out there, so.
Alright. I'm glad you bring up that last point. No, me not do it. But I'm going to show you the difference.
Yeah, the difference.
I'm going to point it out to you.
So point it out.
I want you, Trex, I want you show me in a history. One man will act an action movie, they behind bars because him fucking go out on road and carry out the same actions where him having at the movie.
So may I show you see? A man can sing about a thing, bro.
No,
a man can sing about a thing.
That is why me I tell you cannot bring...
A man can sing about a thing and still not do it, brother. Just like how a man in a show can act it and him not do it, a man can sing about it and him not do it.
But why is it not happening?
Bro.
Why is it not happening? Because you draw a movie as a reference, but yet still, hold on, yet still, you cannot find one man will ever end up behind bars because of the same action when carry out in a movie, but carry out on the street.
Find that, man,
but we can point out the artist.
You probably can look up here and find it.
But we can find out.
You can look it up and find it.
But we don't have to look. And this is the difference.
You only talk about the man where you know of. There's a lot of people
from
where you
Biggie
don't
and Tupac days, those spill out of music, bro.
Alright.
Music.
So why can't I talk about hip hop then?
May I tell you music overall? That's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. Listen to what I say. Dancehall, it happened with Kartel, it happened with Ninja Man, it happened with all of the other artists them where you can point out, bro.
Listen,
the violence, the man them always spill it over from the music. You bring up movies, but yet still you cannot tell me.
No, listen, I said
we're in history, and even if it's there, you can't think about it and find it now.
Can't guess what?
But we can pick off a couple people off of the top of our head.
You know where you're not gonna find it. You know where you're not.
So you cannot compare it.
No, you know where you're not gonna find it.
You cannot compare it.
Let me explain something to you. You see, Hollywood, I creme de la creme. You see dancehall, I ghetto, bro. Most dancehall artists come from the ghetto. And I saw it a go be forever, bro.
And that is
no
the problem.
Man can't come be
that is the problem,
bro.
That is the problem right there. And we are corrupt the youth, them mind. And we keep on and see the mistake, but yet still.
So action show if it up then.
Let me tell you this. We do the same thing and expect different result. And that's our problem. We cannot do the same thing and expect different result.
Action show if it up then. Just enough time here,
bro,
DJ
you still need to point out to me where, and then we can say action. Then don't talk about it. No, you can't talk about that. No, bro. You cannot talk about that. You cannot talk about that. Because you can't find a reference and point it to me to explain your point.
In next podcast, I will come with my reference.
About that? No, I know you've got to pull it up.
No, I will come with, you know me, I will come with my reference.
Brother, come with your reference. No.
Yeah,
we are talking about music, and we see it over and over. So the man them, I bring it from music to the street. But we not learn because guess what? Badness and music can't mix.
But watch this, let me explain something. I don't disagree with you. Don't think me disagree, no.
I know, but before you explain, badness and music can't mix. Saying, is either you do badness and forget the music, or you do music and forget the badness. Kartel is a living fucking proof of the whole situation.
Listen,
you don't see man come out and change in life.
Me agree.
Okay.
Me agree.
Okay.
But me I try to show say man, they now gonna stop sing about the badness because the badness exists.
And them now gonna stop by jail and go under the ground.
The badness exists and dancehall is based off of what people see around them, bro. So you see if they see man a kill man and people are dead and all kind of that. Dog, listen. People can express themselves in a dancehall, bro, in a rawest way. That's why Spice is how she is. That's why Kartel is how he is. That's why Ninja Man was, you see me? People express themselves, bro, just like you. So, you are an artist. You are an artist, right? When you draw, no express yourself in your art.
Okay.
It's all about expression, bro. Man, they not tell people say, yo, deliberately just go out there go kill some people and bro, they sing a song because they see it happen, bro. And I just say thing go, bro.
So what?
Me not tell us say man them right, but yes, you are right when you say it a spill from the music to the streets. But dog, apartheid culture.
But we need to make that change. If we don't make that change, because what you make it look like now, that dancehall, every single dancehall music have violence in it. And there is so many other artists. Ding Dong never sing up. Me never hear Ding Dong sing a song where kill nobody and Ding Dong begin a dancehall. Yeah, whole heap of conscious, lyrical dancehall artists.
A reggae artist.
No, bro. But I argue this no more than. One thing me I said to the youth, when you choose one, is either when you choose the dancehall or on a career, or on choose badness. Two of them cannot work one time, bro. I want to keep on and see the result after result. How much more result you not go follow? And when you come like a real sheep to rascals. When you keep on seeing the same thing, but you not follow the same trend and end up in the same place.
If you know about no ideas, you know, it can be like, we don't know.
You get them now,
yeah.
You get them look bad, man.
Listen,
you see, that's the next thing, dog.
No, I'm a breeder, bro. Come here, say, yo. More time you go out and you see someone face twist up to one buckler, dog. Man, them, I'm going like say, yo, you can't brush pan a man and say sorry. Like, bro, let me tell you, if badness don't make no sense, because it's either you got dead or you got prison.
How you mean?
A real pray.
You don't pay.
Listen, if badness not pay.
You don't pay.
And me not tell a lie. It look fuck up for sister Squash and go to prison, get deported, and go back to prison. We hope all our young youths them take notes. Because if you don't see these things that happen, I don't still I do what you're not supposed to do. You don't do.
You don't fucking do.
You see me, bro?
That me tell you now. Separate them, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yo, anyway.
So I say I know. Yeah. Because we know you want to laugh, you know. You know you're happy you get sit for laugh about it.
No, dog. Dog, when I look on it still in the dog.
Yeah.
A dead stamper.
Who you talk about?
Alright, yo, look on that picture here, dog. You recognize how this. Man, them say, yo, that youth don't look like Kartel, you know, dog. Eh?
The man look like the next man for you.
The man look like the next man, you fuck. But guess what, man, I have nothing to say, you know.
No, man, they look like, me hear Kartel say, yo, in balling in the prison. And he should have put, Kartel, you know what I say? I chief. But big man thing, you look like Shorty did a gear bun before you got prison with G. Cause a little Addy this, I don't.
Yo, a dead stamp of that the brother.
Little Addy look just like him man side of your brother.
Dead stamp of the man, bro.
Wicked, you know?
The dog.
Hey, them girl are wicked, them wicked.
You can imagine you really go find out now you run a DNA test, dog. And it turn out that youth and a year one.
Kartel love him, Kartel I keep him same way fan of him, man.
Your visa?
Yeah, man.
I don't know if you could have do it, bro.
No, you have some man, as me tell you already, you know, you have some man who are different, you know, bro. And I feel like, if I saw you go, say, this man a youth, you think Kartel will keep him same way. You have an idea, dog, Kartel did a fuck pan shot enough pitney Kartel get a road. Kartel, if you get a jacket, I wouldn't call that jacket still. Would I call it one vest?
No, dog, that don't know fucking
I call it a vest.
And it's a fucking jacket.
You could come off a teacher. Da, why? But we stop talking about the teacher.
No. Me have a bone for pick before.
What?
Before you jump off, dog.
No, me not jump off. We have stop talk.
Alright, before you stop talk.
Yeah.
You have a bone for pick. Kartel, why you never go perform for the people them down at Trinidad scene?
This man I come back with the Trinidad thing, bro. Listen,
yeah,
bro,
man, you should go perform, brother.
Let me explain something to you.
No, let me explain first to you.
Hey, explain.
Yo, listen what me answer, bro. Kartel get almost $1 million in hand.
Almost doesn't count.
Well, I know, bro. Kartel get almost $1 million in him hand. Then, and it's like then you get a cake and only one slice missing. Yeah. So you get 95% of the cake.
Yeah.
Then, and if Kartel say him, as a matter of fact, him say it in their music.
Yeah.
Say it's for the ghetto youths and the poor people them. Then, now, at everyone a Kartel show them, and I tell you, say, rich people, no, did they? But 75 to 80% of those people are middle class and poor people and ghetto youths I support Kartel.
So we can't talk now?
No, me not done. Then, at them I support Kartel.
Yes.
And Kartel get almost $1 million. And you are going to tell me, say, you couldn't go at Trinidad and go perform for the people them because the ticket
almost doesn't
them
count.
already sell because guess what? The promoter under fire for give out the people them their money. Now me understand the whole contractual agreement. So me know
So
you will come at
me
me. No, because me know you will come at me with the whole contractual agreement. So me can't say no, him not sign him contract. But if you say you're for the poor people and you are for the ghetto youths, them did that Trinidad and wait for you after 13 years.
So me can't
and you get almost $1 million.
Almost
and you couldn't go stand up there. And then you tell the man say you need your next rest of money by XYZ because guess what?
No, that was not
all right, never done talking now. But you couldn't go tell the man them say, yo, you me and say, no, brother, me need my money like this or else I'll sue me, I go sue you. Which you have the legal right to do it.
No, man, nobody know what Kartel got too much court, bro. Kartel got too court in life, bro. A man now got no court, brother. But let me explain something to you now. You say you is a superstar. See? You have to remember, say, you're not pay yourself alone.
Okay.
So even if a man charge 1 point how much million?
1.3 something million US
Even
dollars.
if he charge 1.3 million, he have lawyer to pay, him have backup singers to pay. Remember, every cartel show, cartel can at least 4 or 5 different
all right,
artists.
we understand that, yeah.
Him have them the people if he pay. If me tell you, say, or you are the artist and you tell me, say, yo, you know, say, this me charge and we have it in a writing, say, Ray. And me call you several times and you keep putting it off. Would you show up to my event?
Of course.
Why?
Because me already say you give me more than enough money so me can actually put me trust.
Oh, you know say it's more than enough.
Bro, me have $1 million in my hand.
That's not $1 million.
The man get almost, it's shy
almost
950
dog,
something.
even if it's short $1, even if it's short $1 is not $1 million, bro. Even all of that. You talk about ghetto youth. Me
I don't mean you know.
We are not. You are say ghetto you.
I went in preach.
You say you. You say your feelings and your
Yeah, but me use it. Me I say
no.
listen.
Listen, no.
I went preach.
Watch it, no. Kartel can represent the ghetto youth by inspiration. Kartel not have to do nothing for no ghetto youth. Nobody. Let me explain this to you. You as a man responsible for your destiny, your fate. Just like how when he did go to prison, I did film fate and film destiny. At 13 years, the man go sit down in a prison, bro. You can't shortchange the man. Listen, if you value, know your word, people. Know your value.
Tricks. It do not have anything to do with value.
Because
we already know say Kartel.
Listen
to what me I say. We already know say Kartel have the value and him have the pulling power. We know say Kartel worth whatever him say I go charge.
That's not the case.
We don't have no problem with that.
So
but what my problem is, you're not for the people as how you preach it.
No, man, a few people, man.
Brother, which people? You can't get $1 million in your hand.
That is not $1 million.
You cannot tell me nothing.
That is not.
You cannot tell me nothing.
If a man come to buy a beamer out there, so
listen
right now. Let me ask you a question.
No, listen what me answer.
Let me ask you this. If a man come to buy a beamer out there, so right now, and you sell a beamer for 150,000, me just say, you sell a beamer for 150,000, see? And the man come and say, you know, say me only have
negotiate.
No, man, I go come tell us say, you know, say me have 90,000.
Yes, so me I go tell him and say me not do it.
Okay.
But if a man said to me, say I have 90,000 now, and guess what? We will bring in the next person, we sign papers and he give me the 90,000.
You know what time me see that you know what time me see man say.
You ask me hour. And me I ask hour. And you tell me about that.
No, but me
I tell you what me I go do. Before you tell me that, brother. You ask me and me I tell you what me I go do.
People.
We say,
look at.
Yo, go on man you. We say we are going you ask me a question and me answer. So me answer the goddamn question. You said to me, if me that take it, me say yes, I would take it and sign the fucking agreement. And sign the agreement.
Answer that.
Words in my mouth.
Answer that. You have to take your money. You have to take your money. You have to take your money.
Wait, no, bro.
And give me car.
Wait. Me go sign the agreement. You see me? I'm going to sign the agreement. I know say, yo, this $90,000 not going to shake me here and there. You see me? But guess what? The man give me most of the money. I'm going to say, all right, this are the contract, Ray. Of course, I will give money car.
Yeah, you are going to give me car.
And why not?
And the man are going to shot you.
But we already are going to make a date for say you have to give me by next week. Because everything are going in the contract.
Listen, you know, and the Trinidad people, you know, I fucking promoter. it wasn't the Trinidad people. And the promoter caused everything.
Bro, we understand the contractual agreement, bro. We understand that.
Gaza, we say.
But when we get to understand, you know what I learned from this whole situation? Artists only say things what the people they want to hear. So him preach ghetto youths and him preach poor people, but yet still, the poor people, them what did they wait for you perform after 13 years? You never show up.
You're not biased, you know, brother.
You're not biased, bro.
You're not biased, man.
I'm just saying, a man could have show up
me nah do it.
for the people them and go perform. Then you go sue the man after. Because you already get a one slice missing out of the cake, bro. And you have them say you couldn't take the next cake.
Don't take
and
it,
go
Kartel.
perform.
Don't take it.
I'm just saying. You hear me? I'm just saying, bro.
Yo, man, no worth.
You don't have nothing to do with in
Man,
value. We know that. You don't have nothing to do with in value. Yo, enough about Kartel tonight. Enough about Kartel tonight. Yo, you may ask the people, big up on yourself. You see me?
So, what the Spice?
Miras.
Yo, make we plan till he say something about Spice, bro.
Yeah, dog, but you drain me with this Kartel thing, bro.
Drain you? You can't drain a dog. Left that for you, woman, them for drain you. I know we can't drain you.
Buckler. But you know what? You're right.
Why? Left that for your woman, bro.
Yo, Spice. You again.
People them a beat we say, yo, we are disrespect Spice and we are do this and we do
No,
that.
we're not disrespect Spice.
We not disrespect Spice.
We're not
We just
disrespect.
say
We're talk what it is.
Spice highlight too much of this. You see me?
Yo, I could play the video right off of the bat. When you watch this, and the Spice post it in the first place. So I could get that clear. But listen what she has said.
Bumbaras Clark, Toronto's favorite Batman.
Big up the Batman and the Batgirl
Big
them.
up the Batman and the Batgirl.
So I may show no people if any of you know we are comment know about dancehall culture, certain things not ready for dancehall. Certain things not ready for Jamaican culture either. Even though them a push their agenda in Jamaica, and yes, we have all heap of them down there because them like sweets. Listen what me I say, man. Nobody now disrespect Spice. Nobody now try to, you know, make Spice look no type of way. An idea is, if you represent the culture, just know what you do.
I want to me have to say, well, me have a couple things to say now. You know, me stay in the dog. Me have a couple things. Let me sit up. Hear me answer, Spice. We not disrespect nobody. But certain things, when it come in the public, we're going to talk about it. You see me?
True.
Because we're going to put it in the public.
True.
You see me? How everybody have their own opinion. People, we have our own opinion, we can say what we want to say. See?
Just
But
like
me-
you know. Just like them.
Just like them. All right. As you say, me not even going to touch that because you already say the dancehall culture no represent that.
Exactly.
Also, Jamaica culture itself on a whole do not represent that. Bruce Golden, they don't tell you no. My man said, not in my cabinet. If the prime minister can stand up on him foot, when he come from pressured from all over the world, especially America. You see me, the giant, and the man say, yo, not in my cabinet. Why you feel like we need to push that agenda same way and accept it?
We have all heap of young youths in the streets and we have all heap of young youths who on social media. And when they see them thing, bro, you know, normalize the thing.
That's what I'm saying.
see me?
And it is not a part of full thing, bro. We have to stand. And them a beat me because me say, yo, we have to stand up for something.
No, them a beat you because they say, them a beat you because you say Spice a shit you up. A shit you up for culture.
A shit up with culture. Because, bro, you have to stand up for something.
Yeah, man, that's
and me
true, man.
use this as an example. Me say,
True,
China never give up Buddhism because Muslim and Christianity are try convince them say it's the right religion. Them hold strong and it pass on from generation to generation. So why is it that we feel like our culture is not that strong that we have to, because we in a limelight and fame, we have to push the agenda where we don't stand for? We do not. I'm going to ask her one more thing before we
And
go.
not even Spice alone, you know, so we don't talk about Spice alone.
No, and she.
Look on Blood Clot Macadai man with the boy named Derek. Look on Macadai man, I make song with Blood Clot, a TikTok man when named Derek. More time me see him sitting on Blood Clot TikTok, me just want to fling with my phone.
I will cuss out them the bumper clot there. For real.
I want to fling with my phone. That's why Blood Clot twins have twins. They have to lick out.
All right. For real.
You see me?
Yeah.
So I know Spice alone.
And
do
Spice
it.
alone.
Macadai man a shit you up in culture too.
Yeah, man. For
You
real.
see me? Dancehall no make for certain things. And push the agenda in a dancehall and I fuck you now.
I rub it in our face.
You see me?
I rub it in our face.
Right, that's
Spice, before me chip out, one more thing I want to say to you. You remember the time when you go down at Jamaica, you go perform for the school picnic them, and then say, yo, you know fucking perform. You remember that? You know perform, the school cancel it. Now me can see the reason, honestly, behind it, because me not about to go through all of that. But you know, you yourself, your music represent woman in a certain way. And you talk about woman in a certain limelight in your music. Them think it was too vulgar. And you are trying to make it look good by bringing your interpretation in the meeting. I remember clearly when you start good on in your Bible and you start say, oh, you're a woman of God, and you quote everything that was necessary for you because them hurt your feelings, so you never perform. And you try to present yourself, oh, I can do this and I can do that.
Now I'm going to go into the Bible since that you went into the Bible as well, and I'm going to quote a scripture. So if you want to open your scripture and let us read, let us go to First Corinthians.
Why you go down in the Bible for this? Because the thing where you are push, go look on Leviticus 20 verse 13. If a man also lie with a mankind as he lied with a woman, both of them have committed abomination. And read the rest. Me not going to read it, but I'm going to put it up. They shall be put to what?
We could come off of that part, but may I explain something to you? You see, Spice have song where she could end up on a tour. Spice have song where she could have... Them bias. Me have to be honest.
Them not bias, brother.
No, them bias.
Bro, them
bias.
bias.
You know why I know them bias,
bias.
bro? You can't use one set of song with the woman do and judge the rest of them. Bro, the woman have all kind of song. The woman have one whole album where dedicated to black woman, bro. If you do with your skin. The woman have a whole fucking album, bro, where uplift women and young women, bro. So, them doing that to her, dog. Them doing that to her was biased. She never did have to go sing no nice slack song them what she have. And me can sit down here and say, proudly say, yo, them bias and them are pussy Spice. Big man thing.
You know what, dog? I'm not going to argue that the point there, because me see it different. And if
I
me say what me have to say, no, it's true. Because, you see, we put up a face and then behind it we're something completely different.
Exactly.
Spice music, where she sing 90% of her music. I'm not saying, and don't get me wrong,
Yeah.
me never say Spice don't sing good song.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
But-
But people know Spice as a raunchy person.
Knowing her as ranchy, but yes, bro.
But that
Give her
representing her
give her
music.
the opportunity, bro. She have my youth, she have songs where she could go up on the tour and sing, bro. Them couldn't give her the opportunity. She never go my youth and go sing skin out front and rear to school picnic, bro.
You know
she
what
never do that.
I don't know them artists of that. I don't want to talk about no more artists. You know
Yo.
why? Because
yourself.
I'm tired to hear them sing about one thing and
Bro.
then come do something else. You say if one only ever come sing about bun this and bun that again, you see. And then behind the scenes, you know, completely different. You know, a hypocrite. You see me?
Big up on yourself. Thanks to all our support, all our likes, all our shares, all our comments. Big up on yourself.
Yeah,
Success.
to success, my G.